If your CapCut customized cutout is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get your subject cut out cleanly and keep editing without frustration. This is perfect if the custom removal tool is lagging, not snapping to the subject properly, or just refusing to apply the cutout the way you want. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, start by selecting your clip on the main timeline. This is important because CapCut needs to know which video you want to edit before the cutout tools will become available. Once your clip is selected, look to the top right panel and open the Video tab. Inside that menu, find Remove BG and click it. This is where CapCut keeps the background removal tools, including the custom cutout feature. Now, here's the key part. Choose custom removal. Make sure you are not using auto removal at the same time, because those two modes can conflict and cause the tool to behave strangely. If the custom cutout is not working, switching cleanly into custom removal usually solves part of the problem right away. Next, select the Smart Brush tool. This is the tool that helps CapCut detect the subject more intelligently. Adjust the brush size so it matches the area you want to paint, then carefully brush over your subject. You do not need to trace every single edge perfectly. CapCut's AI should automatically snap to the edges of the person or object you painted, which saves a lot of time and gives you a much cleaner selection. If CapCut grabs too much in the background, don't panic. That's what the eraser tool is for. Switch to eraser and remove any background areas that were accidentally included. Take your time here and clean up the selection until the cutout looks right. The more precise you are in this step, the better your final result will be. Once everything looks good, click Apply to lock in the cutout. This final step is important because it confirms the selection and makes the effects stay on your clip. If the tool was working properly, your subject should now be separated from the background and ready for the next part of your edit. Now, if your customized cutout still stops working or behaves strangely, let's go through the troubleshooting steps. First, check your internet connection. CapCut's Smart Brush AI relies on an active connection to process edges properly. So if your internet is unstable or disconnected, the tool may fail, freeze, or not respond the way it should. If the brush is lagging, the next thing to check is proxy. Make sure proxy is turned off in your project settings while using this specific tool. In some projects, proxy files can interfere with AI-based effects and slow down the custom removal process. Turning it off can help CapCut work more smoothly. Another fix is to turn off hardware acceleration. Go to Menu, then Settings, then Performance, and uncheck Speed Up Hardware Encoding. After that, restart the app. This can solve a lot of strange editing issues, especially if CapCut is crashing, freezing, or not applying certain effects correctly. If you're still having trouble, clear your cache. Go to the Draft section, then click the trash icon next to cache. Over time, cached files can build up and cause performance problems inside CapCut. Clearing them can refresh the app and fix features that seem broken even when they should be working normally. So to quickly recap, select your clip, open Remove BG, switch to Custom Removal, use Smart Brush on the subject, clean it up with a razor, and apply the cutout. Then, if it still fails, check your internet, disable proxy, turn off hardware acceleration, and clear the cache. In most cases, one of these fixes will get your customized cutout working again. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.